Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you'll be fine. Students, today I'll teach you English unit number 4, page number 40, exercise grammar. Students, now let us start tenses. First of all, simple past tense. This tense is used to indicate an action completed in the past as example A. My grandfather passed away 5 years ago. Next, example B. I left for my school at 7 a.m. Next, example C. The maid swept the room an hour ago. Next, example D. We took him to the airport at 10 a.m. Next, example E. They finished eating an hour ago. Next, past continuous tense. Point number 1. This tense is used to denote an action going on at some time in the past. The time of action may or may not be indicated as example A. He was doing useful work. Next, example B. It was raining when we reached home. Next, example C. Hazak fell down when he was running. Next, example D. Alia saw an old woman when she was looking out of the window. Next, example E. Someone was banging at the door. Next, point number 2. This tense is also used with always, continually, etc. for persistent habit of the past as example A. He was always complaining of headaches. Next, example B. She was continuously irritating the other children in the class. स्टूडेंट्स, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. आई होप you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly note down this work on your books. It is your book work. Okay. Allah Hafiz.